This is the story of how my life got ruined. I've never been drunk before, better late than never. I realized that I'm starting to get really drunk, so I better head home. I should have ordered a taxi. I became paralyzed for the rest of my days.
More than 3,000 teenagers are killed in car crashes involving alcohol each year. You have to be at least 21 years old to drink. Many teens bypass this rule by going to parties or asking their older siblings.